In this video, we will show you how to edit any monogram template and how to alter overlapping characters. Generally, when selecting a template, drawing software chooses a special placement for the monogram characters. The monogram template defines the size and shape of the characters. Using any of the available templates, you can see the monogram changing. If you are not fully satisfied by a template though, you can base your monogram on it, and then using the node editor, you can edit the template for its size and shape. You can apply any change to the shape and size of the template. Actually, in this way, you can create any custom template you like. As you can see, there are some templates where the letters have some overlapping. When using such templates, a part of a character may be over another. If you prefer, you may choose to move any monogram part. You can also alter the overlapping order of these letters. To do so, place the mouse over any overlapping part and you will see a highlighted area. Click on that area and just alter the overlapping order as you like.